What's good, good people? What's good? And welcome to another Amazon unboxing. Hot off the presses and fresh from delivery, we got our latest Marvel Collector Core box. This month's theme, the Infinity Saga. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Whether you're a fan from the original comics or a fan from the groundbreaking MCU, the Infinity Saga is an incredible story that must be experienced. Today we have a 5-piece collectible box, courtesy of the Marvel Collector Core subscription, available exclusively from Amazon.com and powered by Funko. As always, I will put the link in the description below for the Marvel Collector Core box, as well as a link in the description below for my Amazon storefront. In my Amazon storefront, you'll find all sorts of Marvel and Star Wars collectibles, ninja stuff, shiny things, holiday and birthday gift ideas for mom and dad, and much more. And right now is probably an excellent time to check out the fitness for the homebody list. Again, check the link in the description below for the Marvel Collector Core box, as well as a link in the description below for my Amazon storefront. So now, let's get into this box, shall we? Boop, 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 woody, boop, boop. Awesome stuff to start it off. Awesome stuff to start it off. Coming soon, the May theme for the Marvel Collector Core box is Black Widow. All right. I really love saying that. I really do. You gotta understand, especially being from Atlanta, like that particular phrase, and I'm sorry if I digress, but that particular phrase, all right, kind of lets you know how I'm feeling. You can kind of measure it, and I know people have told this joke before, but seriously, you can pretty much measure it somewhere between Andre 3000 and Matthew McConaughey as far as how excited, how chill, or how stoked I am about something. And from what I'm looking at right now, all right. All right, seriously. So we're gonna put this t-shirt down. Y'all know I love to save the t-shirt for last, so we're gonna put that down. I'll get to it in just a moment. Boop. First up, I've been collecting quite a few decals lately. We have a decal of Mjolnir, Thor's sacred powerful hammer, gifted to him to channel his powers from Odin himself. And our next item up is, been collecting quite a few pins lately too. Seriously, quite a few pins. I'm kind of digging this. So yet another pin to tag onto my bag. Something else to add to the collection. Straight out of the MCU. The Avengers Endgame version of Captain Marvel. Oh! These pops are phenomenal. Epic. Incredible pops. Loving these exclusives right here. So, the pops we got. First, and they glow in the dark. What? Okay, so the first glow in the dark pop we have up, Star-Lord with the Power Stone. Next pop. Definitely one of my favorite MCU heroes. Another exclusive glow-in-the-dark pop. Prince T'Challa himself. Oh, I'm sorry. King T'Challa, the Black Panther. And finally, my favorite part of the box every time. You can see I'm wearing my Thor shirt from one of our previous boxes. Yeah, definitely check out the Thor. Check out the Thor. No, I'm saying. Okay. All right, so let's see what the new shirt looks like, shall we? Drum roll, please! All right, seriously. What we got here? I love it. Ladies and gentlemen, the Peter Tingle. Straight out of Spider-Man Far From Home, the new name for Spidey Sense, the Peter Tingle, guys, the Peter Tingle. You gotta love it. It's awesome. And there you have it. One more Amazon unboxing in the books. I will see you next time when we see what's inside of this Black Widow box. It's a mystery. You get it? Because she's a spy, you know? No. So, yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Until then, one more time, check the link in the description below so you too can subscribe to the Amazon subscription box, Marvel Collector Corps. And check the link in the description below. Help a brother out. You're gonna shop on Amazon anyway. Why don't you check out some stuff in my Amazon storefront? You know what I'm saying? So, I'll see you guys later. This is CJ for CJ TV and another episode of Amazon Unboxing saying, peace out! Thanks for watching.